The available universal remote system can replace up to 8 remote control transmitters that are used to activate devices like garage door openers, security systems, and home automation devices. If your vehicle is equipped with this feature, you'll see these controls on the center display. To program a garage door opener, you should park outside directly in line with and facing the garage door opener receiver. Also, make sure to clear all people and objects near the garage door. First, go to the universal remote controls on your center display. Hold the end of the handheld transmitter about 3 to 8 centimeters or 1 to 3 inches away from the rearview mirror. Then tap the Add Remote option on the center display. Press and hold the handheld transmitter button until Signal Found appears on the center display. Once the signal is found, you can test the universal remote system by pressing the Test button. You may need to press it several times depending on your garage door opener manufacturer. If your garage door moves, then programming is already complete at this point. Just press It Worked after successfully programming a remote. But if the garage door doesn't react during testing, press It Didn't Work and continue with these next steps. Find the Learn or Smart button inside the garage on the garage door opener receiver. The name and color of the button may vary depending on the manufacturer, but it is usually located near the antenna wire. Then press and release the Learn or Smart button. Within 30 seconds after doing step 7, return to the vehicle and press the Test button on the center display. Again, it could take up to 3 button presses. The universal remote system should now activate the garage door. Just press the It Worked button to save the Learn channel to memory. After successfully programming your universal remote, you can change the name of the remote on the screen as desired. A shortcut icon also appears on the center display, and you can reposition it to where you want it on the screen. Keep in mind that programming involves time-sensitive actions and may time out, causing the procedure to be repeated. It may be helpful to have a person on a ladder in the garage while another person stays in the vehicle to complete actions in time. You should not use the universal remote system with any garage door opener that does not have the stop and reverse feature. And make sure the handheld transmitter has a new battery for quicker and more accurate transmission of the radio frequency signal. With your vehicle's universal remote system, you can activate your home devices all in one place.